What if I told you? Your cat has been responding to you in a way you've completely missed. And it might be the reason your bond feels slightly distant. Not broken. Just not fully connected. Because here's the truth most owners never realize. Your cat is not avoiding you. They're studying how safe it is to be close to you. And there's one simple shift that changes everything. But first, you need to understand what they've been reacting to all along. You see your cat. You reach for them. You try to connect. Sometimes they stay, sometimes they leave. And most people think, that's just how cats are. But what if it's not randomness? What if your cat is actually responding to how much control they feel in the moment? Because to a cat, connection is not something you take. It's something they decide to give. Number 1, stop chasing connection. Every time you reach out first, you're not just petting them. You're setting the rule of interaction. And sometimes, that removes their choice. So they step back. Not because they don't love you, but because they need space to decide. Number 2, the silent test. Your cat sits near you, but not touching you. That moment is not random. It's a test, not a trick. Just a question. Can I exist near you without pressure? And most owners fail this without knowing. By doing too much. But when you do nothing, something changes. They come closer on their own. Number 3, the language of no pressure. When your cat turns away, or flicks their tail, they're not rejecting you. They're communicating timing. Not now. And when you respect that, you do something powerful. You become predictable safety, not unpredictable pressure. Number 4, safe presence wins everything. Over time, your cat starts choosing you more, not because you demanded it, but because you stopped forcing it. And that changes their entire emotional map of you. You stop being a human who wants something, and become a place where nothing is demanded. So what's the one thing your cat has been waiting for? It's not more attention. It's not more effort. It's something much simpler. Let them choose you. Not once. Not occasionally. But consistently. Because in your cat's world, choice is trust. And trust is love.